Welcome to the video on the solid-state battery leap. We will explore next-generation energy storage, transitioning from volatile liquids to stable solid electrolytes for the future of electrification. We begin with the fundamentals, understanding the architecture of current lithium-ion batteries and the theoretical promise of solid-state technology. The architecture of change is significant. Current lithium-ion uses liquid organic electrolytes, which are volatile and flammable, limiting energy density. Solid-state batteries, or SSBs, replace the liquid with a solid ceramic, glass, or polymer electrolyte, offering inherent thermal stability and higher energy density targets. The foundational chemistry focuses on achieving high ion conductivity in a rigid lattice. Solid electrolyte systems include sulfides with exceptional conductivity, oxides, known for high stability but brittle nature, and polymers, which are flexible but have lower conductivity at room temperature. SSBs improve gravimetric density by eliminating the liquid electrolyte and reducing cooling infrastructure. Active materials account for 60% with energy-dense lithium metal. The solid electrolyte is 25%, and the remaining 15% is casing and contacts. The lithium metal holy grail involves moving to pure lithium metal anodes, enabling a theoretical specific capacity of 3,860 mAh per gram. This includes zero anode configurations, eliminating the dead weight of graphite hosts, and requiring a solid electrolyte to prevent lithium dendrite growth. The leap to solid state marks an inflection point where energy density growth escapes the linear constraints of intercalation-based chemistry, as shown in the energy density projections. There is a trio of technical hurdles. These are interface resistance, maintaining contact between solid particles, dendrite suppression, preventing lithium whiskers, and manufacturing scaling, moving from lab to GWH scale processing. Comparing performance, SSBs target over 500 watt-hours per kilogram energy density and superior operating temperatures. They offer a cycle life of 5,000 plus and fast charge times, providing significant safety benefits like eliminating flammability. The roadmap to mass adoption starts with R&D, moving through pilot lines for testing, early market penetration in premium applications, and finally, mass gigafactories by 2030 plus, achieving cost parity with traditional lithium-ion cells. The future is solid. This transition is a fundamental shift that will enable safe, high-range, and rapid charging mobility, supporting a carbon-neutral planet through higher energy, safer operation, and faster mobility. Thank you for your time and analytical curiosity. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out using the contact information provided. This slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.